ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Let's do only sentence 209. गुरुः आस्ते शिष्यः गुरुः पूजयति. There's a mistake.
गुरुं पूजयति.
शिष्यः गुरुं पूजयति. So Ranach Anta Rupam would be
Aste should take. So, is there
yes.
something for asama? It should
As
become Puyamana.
What's that?
Is there something like asamana?
There is no asamana.
Aste.
Shishyaha Gurum Pujayati, that is the main sentence. Aste, asate, asate. So therefore what will happen? Aste, asate. There is no asana also. That's a special thing here. Asinaha.
Oh, asina.
Aste, asate, asate. That is Latrakara, Uttam Purusha, Dvivachana Rupam. But the form is not asana. Here something special thing is there. Asina. Asdatoho. That akara will be replaced by e. So only for asdatu. Asinam. That will be the form. That's a sutra. Idasaha. Eat. Ikara will be adesha in the place of akara for when the sarvadatuka it pratyaya pare or ane pratyaya pare. Yes, ane pratyaya pare. Banana follows asdatu. Asdatoho akarasya ikaraha adesha bhavati. It's a rule. Simple rule only. Idasaha. It's a rule. Only for Shanach it happens. Now, Karmani would be Guruhu Pujyate. By whom? By Shishya.
Shishyena.
Shishyena. And As now become Asinaha. So Asinaha. Strilinge Asina it would be. Okay. Cannot be Shana Shupam of
Yes.
Asdatu. Vrishtihi Jayate. Vrishtyam Balaha Kridanti. So Vrishtyam Balaha Kridanti.
जायमानया वृष्ट्यां बालाः क्रीडन्ति.
Jaya.
सप्तमी.
What's Saptami?
The Shanaj Roop is Jayamana, so it becomes Strilinga, Jayamana.
What is Saptami form then? Ramayam. Jayamanayam.
Jayamanayam.
Not Manayam. Manayam. Jayamanayam. Drishtyam Balaha Kridanti. Then finished. Karmani Prayoga would be Jayamanayam. It is Adhikaranam. Saptami. That will not change. Balaha Kridanti. Balaihi.
Kridyate.
Kridyate. Pustakani Vidyante. Chatraha Pustakani Pashyati.
Chhatrah pustakani pashyanti is the main sentence. So Chhatrah vidyamanani pustakani pashyati.
What is a dhatu? Vidyante.
With that.
Which conjugation it must be?
Fourth.
Fourth conjugation. With with in the sense of sattaya. So therefore vidyamanani pustakani pashyati chatraha. Karmani would be chatrena.
Chatrena. Pustakani drishyate.
Pustakanani drishyante.
Drishyante.
Chatrena vidyamanani pustakani drishyante. Keeping with the vachanam of the karma, the kriya padam bhagavachanam. Brahmachari Nakaranta Shabda. Brahmacharin Kashtam Sagate. Adhyayanam Karoti. So Brahmachari
Adhyayanam karoti.
Adhyayanam Karoti.
Kashtam sahamanaha brahmachari adhyayanam karoti.
Sahamanaha Sakate. Sahete Sahante. First conjugation. Kashtam Sahamanaha Brahmachari Adhyayanam Karoti. In Karmani it would be Adhyayanam Brahmachari.
Brahmacharina adhyayanam kriyate.
Adhyayanam Kriyate. Adhyayanam Napumsakalinga. Sahamanena.
Na.
Ganga Janan Punite. Munayaha Gangayaha Tire Tapaha Acharanti. Munayaha Gangayaha Tire Tapaha. Tapaha, what vibhakti, what vachanam?
Tapas shabda.
It is tapas shabda. Napumsakalinga. Tapaha is object. Tapaha tapasi tapamsi. Tapaha tapasi tapamsi. So Munayaha Acharanti Gangayaha Tire Tapaha.
Tapaha.
And Ganga must be qualified by Dhatu.
So that is punati.
Yes. Punj Dhatu.
Punj.
Ninth conjugation. Therefore, punati, it's Ubhayapadi, in fact. So, punite, Atmanipada Rupam. So, punite, punate, punate. Form is like that. Dhatu being
पुनीते पुनाते पुनन्
not
बहुवचनं रूपे
not
पुनीते
punante.
पुनाते
Punite, punate, punate.
पुनते. Okay.
Punite, punate, punate. Form is like that. I think I have the answers here, but anyway. The form would be Janan, Gangayaha will become, Punate will become Punana.
पुनाना. So पुनाना गंगा
Janan,
स्त्रीलिंग.
Punana Yaha, Gangayaha,
पुनाना याह.
Punana Yaha, Gangayaha. Tire Tapaha Acharanti Munayaha. Janan Punana Yaha, Gangayaha, Tire Tapaha Acharanti Munayaha. So that must be the form. Janan Punanayaha, Gangayaha. Karmani Rupam would be
मुनिभिः तपः आचर्यते.
yes, Tapaha Acharyate. Other things will not change. It will remain as it is. So Janan Punanayaha Gangayaha Tire Munivihi Tapaha Acharyate.
आचर्यते.
Ishvaraha Samsaram Ikshate. Ikshate Saha Manavebhyaha Karmani Vibhajati. Saha is Ishvaraha. Manavebhyaha.
So ईक्षमाणः ईश्वरः.
Yes. Samsaram.
मानवेभ्यः कर्माणि विभजते.
Yes.
संसारम्
Ikshamaanaha.
ईक्षमाणः ईश्वरः
Manavebhyaha Manushebhyaha Karmani Vibhajati.
विभजते.
Karmani would be Karmani Ishvara.
विभज्यते ईश्वरेण.
Vibhajyante. Manavebhyaha is Sampradana Karaka.
संप्रदान.
Ishvarena, Ikshamanena, Ishvarena. Karmani Vibhajyante. Manavebhyaha. Suryaha Prakashate. Tasmai Vatuhu Argyam Dadati. Kasmai
सूर्याय.
Suryaya. Suryaya Vatuhu
अर्घ्यं ददाति.
Argyam Dadati.
प्रकाशमानाय सूर्याय.
Yes. Prakashamanaya Suryaya Vatuhu Argyam Dadati.
So Vatuna अर्घ्यं दीयते.
Yes. Vatuna Argyam Diyate. Yes. Other things will not change. Avidya Viraginam Bhadate. Sa Jnanena Nashyati.
विरागिणं बाधमाना अविद्या ज्ञानेन नश्यति.
Avidya Viraginam.
बाधते.
Viragi is Vairagya. Viragasya Bhavaha Vairagyaha will come. Viragasya Stiti Viragin. I think some mistake is there in the sentence. Viragi Viragaha Vigataha Ragaha Yasmat. Na Bhadate Avidya Raginam otherwise should be. not viragina.
Mm.
From viraga only we get the word vairagya. Viragasya bhavaha vairagyah. Viragin shabda viragi,
So
viragi, viragina,
avidya
viragina.
only jnanena nashyati, Guruji.
That's
Avidya
correct.
jnanena ya vidya which is interfering with vairagya. So if you are a
Avidya
vairagi
jnanena
but not
nashyati, that's no problem. But avidya raginam bhadate with that sentence.
okay, okay.
Not viraginam bhadate. Avidya do not disturb the viragi. Or we can take like that also. Why not? Vairagya is there, but jnanam is not there.
Mm. That's what I meant.
That is possible. That way you can take. So anyway, but that way also you can take.
Mm.
It's not because vairagya is there, not that person must have jnana.
Mm.
Maybe a sadhaka, jnanam not there yet.
Mm.
It's possible. Avidya jnanena ashyati. So viraginam,
Badhamana avidya.
yes. So viraginam badamana vidya jnanena nashyati. Karmani rupam. The jnanena.
Avidyaya.
Avidya nashyati. Nashyati nashyate.
Nashyate. Avidyaya.
Vidyaya nashyate.
Badhamanaya.
संशयः चित्ते जायते सः चिन्तनात् उपशाम्यति.
Shamyati.
सः कः संशयः?
Sanshaya. Chitte jayamanaha sanshayah chintanat upashamyati.
Yes. चिन्तनात् उपशाम्यति. संशयः. So चित्ते.
Sanshayah.
Shamda, the fourth conjugation. When shan follows dirghatam happens, sham becomes sham. It's all sham, dam, shram, etc. Shamam ashtanam shani. Sutram is there. So chintanat. Chintanat is, it's a panchami, eto panchami. Etu. Upashamyati, upashamyate karmani. Kaha,
Sanshayana.
karta not there, samshayena. So this will be, when karma
Jayamana.
not there, therefore karma is bhave prayoga. Chitte jayamanene samshayena chintanat upashamyate.
Shamyate.
Prapanchaha vidyate. Saha nityaha asti here to supply. Prapanchaha anityaha.
Vidyamanaha prapanchaha anityah.
Yes. Vidyamanaha prapanchaha anityaha. Karmani not required. Samsari vairagyam kamayate tam karmani badnanti. So tam, kam,
Sansarinam.
samsarim,
Sansarim.
samsarinam, sorry, not samsarim,
Sarinam.
samsari, samsarinam, karmani badnanti. Main sentence. And vairagyam kamayate. Kaha samsari. Samsari is now dvitiya vibhakti. Therefore, vairagyam kamaya
Mana.
manam.
Sansarinam.
संसारिणं कर्माणि बध्नन्ति. कर्मणि प्रयोगः would be कर्माणि
संसारे
कर्ता. Now here it becomes कर्मभिः.
कर्म हम्म,
So कर्माणि संसारिणं, but the संसारिणं will become संसारी.
हम्म,
कामयमाना वैराग्यं कामयमाना संसारी कर्मभिः
द्यते
बध्यते. बध्नन्ति बध्नाति बध्नीतः बध्नन्ति. Ninth conjugation. कर्मणि is simple anyway. बध्यते. बद्ध plus यत् plus ते. पुरुषः अभिलषते. अभिलषते is desires.
हम्म,
सः अभीप्सितं न लभते.
न
कः
लभते
पुरुषः
हम्म,
अभीप्सितं, that what he desires. अभीप्सितं ईप्सा. ईप्सा is optum which are desire to gain. अभीप्सितं वस्तुं न लभते. So Purusha is qualified by Shanaj.
अभिलाष
Abhilash,
अभिलषमान
Abhilash,
अभिलषमानः पुरुषः
Abhilashamanaha Purusha. From that only we get Abhilasha, Abhilash, desire, Icha. Here Abhilashamanaha. Abhipsitam, Abhipsitaha, can take. Or Abhipsitam also we can take. If it is Vastu, Abhipsitaha. Our choice. Abhipsitaha or Abhipsitam na labhyate.
लभ्यते
Or Abhipsitam if you take, have a qualifier. Vastu. Vastu is Napumsakalinga. So Abhipsitam will be Abhipsitam Vastu na labhyate. By whom? By
पुरुषेण
Purushena.
अभिलाषमानेन पुरुषेण
Abhilasha is Icha. Referring to again. Jivan Muktaha Pratikshate. Pratiksham Karoti. Pratiksham Kurute. Tasya Karmakshayanantaram should be. Karmakshayanantaram.
अनन्तरं
Kshayanantaram. Dehapataha Bhavati.
भवति
Tasya Kasya
जीवन्मुक्तस्य
Jivan Muktasya Karmakshayanantaram.
अनन्तरं देहपात
Degasya Pataha Dehapataha. Dehapataha Bhavati. Fall of the Sharira happens after the destruction of the karma for Jivan Mukta. So Jivan Muktaha
प्रतीक्षमाणस्य जीवन्मुक्तस्य
प्रतीक्षमानस्य जीवन्मुक्तस्य देहपातः भवति. कर्मणि not भूयते will be there. सः उपासना मार्गं चिनुते chooses. तस्य दृष्टिः उपास्ये एव भवति. कस्य? सः तस्य no proper on tasya दृष्टिः. Upasya means upasya vastu. What is upasya? Upasana, upasyam, then upasaka. So upasana margam. Chinute, chidatu, qualifying tasya. Chinute, chinvate,
चिन्वाते चिन्वते
Therefore, this becomes chinvana,
चिन्वानस्य
chinvanasya. Upasana margam chinvanasya, tasya drishtihi, upasya eva bhavati. Karmani not required. Chatraha vedangani adiyate, te vedasya artham jananti. Te chatraha. Vedasya artham, vedartham jananti, they know meaning of the Veda. Then Vedangani is the object of Adipurvaka ing dhatu. So here it becomes, we already seen this before.
Chhatra adhiyamanaha chhatraha.
Yes. Adhiyamanaha chhatraha vedasya artham jananti. Vedangani adhiyamanaha chhatraha. Karmani prayoge vedasya artham vedartham vedasya arthaha
Arthaha.
jnayate dhatu. Jna dhatu. Original dhatu is jna only. That becomes
Jnana.
ja. By whom?
Chhatraihi.
कीदृशैः छात्रैः वेदांगानि अधीयमानैः छात्रैः गंगा स्वर्गात् संसते अत्वनेपदे धातु पदिधातु संसते सा शंकरस्य जटासु धरति का सा गंगा तो गंगा शंकरस्य
जटासु धरति
जटासु धरति स्वर्गात्
संस्रमाना गंगा
शंकरस्य जटासु धरति कर्मणि प्रयोगे it must be स्वर्गात् जटासु धरति धरति दृ धातु ध्रियते not दृ धातु दृ ध्रियते तो स्वर्गात्
गंगया
संसमानया गंगया शंकरस्य जटासु ध्रियते सः अज्ञाने रमते आचार्यं तम उपदिशति आचार्यः तम उपदिशति ओके देन सः
रममाणम् अज्ञाने रममाणं तम्
अज्ञाने रममाणं तम् आचार्यः उपदिशति कर्मणि प्रयोगः उपदिश्यते by whom आचार्येण अज्ञाने
रममाणः सः
yes आचार्येण उपदिश्यते सः ग्रन्थम् अवलोकयति पश्यति तेन विषयः ज्ञातः already कर्मणि it is so केन तेन कीदृशः सः ग्रन्थम् अवलोकयति therefore अवलोक first conjugation अवलोकमानेन विषयः ज्ञातः ग्रन्थम् अवलोकमानेन simple one बालः कंपते सज्जनः बालाय कंबलं ददाति main sentence is
सज्जनः बालाय so बालं कंबलं ददाति
no बालः कंपते बालाय qualified by
कंपमानाय बालाय
सज्जनः a good man good person कंबलं ददाति दीयते कंबलः पुल्लिङ्ग सज्जनेन बालाय is
Sampradaya.
Kambalam goes to him. भारतस्य उत्तरस्यां दिशि हिमालयः राजते तस्मात् गंगा प्रवहति तस्मात् is it is
Himalaya.
apadana but different apadana. It is apadana, there are many types. Bhavah prabhavah on sutram is by that apadana. Himalayat, yes. Himalayat Ganga pravahati. कीदृश दृशः हिमालयः
Rajamana Himalaya. Rajmana? No.
राजमानात्
Manat.
भारतस्य उत्तरस्यां दिशि just as it is राजमानात् हिमालयात् गंगा प्रवहति. कर्मणि प्रयोगः would be भारतस्य उत्तरस्यां दिशि राजमानात् हिमालयात् गंगया
प्रव्रियते
वग्धातु
पय्यते.
No, it will undergo samprasaranam. Ra plus u, prohyate.
Proyate.
Vagdhatu will undergo samprasaranam. It becomes uhyati, ugyate, or karmani prayoga, therefore ugyate. Then pra plus u, gunasanti. यह सुख दुखे समानतया ईक्षते तस्य जीवनं सार्थकं भवति. तस्य जीवनं सार्थकं. Oh, you have to split. Ready, it is there, joined. What to split? Okay, anyway, we'll do the splitting. Okay, we can make yaga saha is that sorry, no, joined by yaga saha, we can remove yaga saha. So जीवनं सार्थकं भवति. तस्य जीवनं सार्थकं भवति. कस्य? ईक्षमाणस्य.
सुख दुखे समानतया ईक्षमाणस्य तस्य जीवनं सार्थकं भवति.
वृक्षः वर्धते तस्मिन् पल्लवाः उत्पद्यन्ते. पल्लवः means whirlpool. पल्लवः.
Shouldn't it mean sprouts? Vrukshah?
That meaning also is there. But sorry, Shamitam, what did I say? Why did I say whirlpool? Shamitam, Vrukshah. I'm sorry, I was carried away by something else. Pallava is sprout only, not okay, sorry, not whirlpool. There's no connection with the whirlpool. Vrikshaha vardate. So tasmin pallavaha utpadyante. Kasmin vrikshe. Pallavaha utpadyante. Pallavaha is ankuraha ityartha. So कीदृशः वृक्ष वर्धते?
वर्धमाने वृक्षे.
पल्लवाः अंकुराः उत्पद्यन्ते. कर्मणि प्रयोगः इट इज नॉट कर्मणि, सॉरी, पदधातु इज आत्मनेपदी धातु, so we cannot say कर्मणि प्रयोगः. It's कर्तरि प्रयोगः. Karmani prayoga also same form only, but pallavaihi it will become. Pallavaihi utpadyate. So dhatu is fourth conjugation. Fourth conjugation, this problem will be that form looks same. So pallavaihi, you can say. You want to karmani prayoga, utpadyate. Padadhatu padyate, padyate, padyante. Pallavaha utpadyante, kartari. Pallavaihi utpadyate, karmani. Bhave prayoga, not even karmani. Bhave. Akarmakatvat. एषणाः जायन्ते तेभ्यः साधकाः विचलिताः न भवेयुः
युः
केभ्यः एष
एषणेभ्यः
yes एषणा is strilinga so or I can take pullinga एषणा
एषणा
एषणाः पुत्रेषणा वित्तेषणा लोकेषणा you say एषणा त्रयम् एषणा is can be in all the linga but anyway there it is strilinga here it can take pullinga because tebhyah is there so esha nebhyah sadakaah vichalitah na स्युः न भवेयुः एषणेभ्यः is qualified by
जायमानेभ्यः
जायमानेभ्यः एषणेभ्यः साधकाः विचलिताः न भवेयुः कर्मणि प्रयोग would be भवेयुः लिंग लकार भवेत् भवेता भवेयुः जायमानेभ्यः एषणेभ्यः साधकाः साधकैः विचलिताः न भवेयुः विचलितैः
न भवेत्
not भवेत् भवेत् is already it is कर्तरि प्रयोग कर्मणि प्रयोग it will be form would be what is the form would be labdhatu labdhatu for example if you take कर्मणि प्रयोग of labdhatu what is the ling lakara of labdhatu भवेत् भवेतां भवेयुः भवेः भवेतं भवेत भवेयं भवेव भवेम
भवेय भवे
similarly here labeta ita ita iyata iyuh sorry iran labeta labeyata now karmani prayoga is there therefore what will happen bhudatu bhuyeta all this thing you have seen bhuyeta bhuye
भूयेत
yatam bhuyeran so here bhave prayoga so karma not there sadhakaihi na bhuyeta yeta yeyatam yeran that's a pratyaya if you remember the pratyaya it will be easy
yes
नचिकेताः उपदेशं लभते तस्मात् सः सन्तुष्टः तस्मात्
उपदेशात्
उपदेशात् सन्तुष्टः तो उपदेशात् सः नचिकेतः is singular not many नचिकेता नचिकेतः सकारान्त शब्द सन्तुष्टः नचिकेता नचिकेताः नचिकेतसो नचिकेतसः उपदेशात् नचिकेताः व नचिकेता सन्तुष्टः उपदेशं उपदेशात् उपदेशं we have to say again because that is your
उपदेशं लभमान
or Nachiketa is qualified by
so labhaman labhamana nachiketa
upadesham labhamanaha I'll put this so that becomes upadesham labhamanaha nachiketaha upadeshat santushtaha Santushtaha is akarmaka dhatu, the sikta pratyaya is santushtaha or santushtavan also is correct. That will be as it is. Kataha vidyante, teshu upanishad kata bodha prada. Kriya padam we have to supply bhavati. Teshu is referring to
katha.
Katasu. So katasu upanishad kata bodha prada bhavati. Giver of knowledge. Katasu qualified by
Vidyamanasu
katasu Upanishad kata bodha prada. Karmani not because asti become bhuyate only everything will become tratiya. Maya jagat suyate sacharacharam shunj dhatu appanepadi sa anadihi asti ka sa maya
माया
माया अनादिः अस्ति जगत् स्तूयमाना सूयते सूयेते सूयन्ते तो जगत सूयमाना it will be right. Okay, then next one. जनाः भाषन्ते तैः सह बालाः तिष्ठन्ति कैः सह
जनैः सह
जनैः सह
भाषमानैः जनैः सह बालाः
Yes.
तिष्ठन्ति
भाषमानैः जनैः सह बालाः तिष्ठन्ति कर्मणि would be
स्थीयते बालैः स्थीयते
yes बालैः स्थीयते सह तृतीया तो बालैः भाषमानैः जनैः सह भावे प्रयोगः सात्विकवृत्तेः अन्तःकरणे जायन्ते श्रीलिङ्ग ताः स्थिराः सन्ति ताः सात्विक वृत्तयः स्थिराः स्त्रीलिङ्ग that's very वृत्तयः स्थिरः स्थिरौ स्थिराः कुत्र जायन्ते ताः अन्तःकरणे
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 जायमानाः सात्विकवृत्तयः स्थिराः सन्ति
स्थिराः सन्ति नानायोनि सहस्रेषु जायमानः मुहुर्मुहुः म्रियमाणः भवत्येव जीवः संसारमण्डले वेदांत सिद्धांत सर्ववेदांत सिद्धांत सार संग्रह we have to find out we can write instead of damage. First we can do anvaya sandhi vicheda anvaya sandhi and all we know very well. Nana yoni sahasreshu take or we can take jayama okay and we can take kriya padam actually first kriya padam where is the brahmati eva that we have to take brahmati
so jivah sansar mandale brahmati
that is the sentence jivah samsara mandale brahmati eva right jiva samsara mandale brahmati eva evakar कीदृशः जीवः
म्रियमाणः जीवः
जायमानः मुहुर्मुहुः
जायमानः म्रियमाणः
both are there so जीवः जायते म्रियते जीवः मुहुर्मुहुः again and again पुनः पुनः तो मुहुर्मुहुः जायते म्रियते नाना योनि सहस्रेषु जायते नाना योनिषु सहस्रेषु मुहुर्मुहुः जायते म्रियते च जीवः न जायते म्रियते मुहुर्मुहुः let it be there so पुनः पुनः जायते म्रियते च संसार मंडले भ्रमति एव तः सः जीवः और मुहुर्मुहुः okay it will be like this okay fine okay yeah you just add jayate mriyate or we can take it as jayate then जीवः म्रियते मुहुर्मुहुः जायते जीवः मुहुर्मुहुः can be connected to म्रियते also again and again तः संसार मंडले भ्रमति एव Then this is from the Mundakopanishad. Vidyayamantare vartamanaha swayam dhira panditam manyamanaha jangamyamanaha varyamodhaha andenaiva niyamanaha yathandaha. Mundaka. Avidyayamantare
वर्तमानः
vartante. Avidyayam antare vartante.
पंडितम
Te, something te. Some mudaha iti. Te dhiraha swayam dhiraha panditam manyamanaha. So avidyayam antare vartamanaha swayam dhira panditam manyamanaha. So
ते मन्यन्ते.
Manyante. So we have to, this is from Upanishad, we have to make some changes. Okay, anyway. Dhiraha, swayam dhiraha manyante. Te dhiraha. Te dhiraha manyante means that is, te swayam
स्वयं धीरः मन्यन्ते.
dhiraha panditaha cha. Make it like that because this Shruti. और ये स्वयं धीराः पंडिताः च मन्यन्ते
ते अविद्यया
विद्यायामन्तरे वर्तन्ते. So ये ते. So we can make it into one sentence like this. ये स्वयं धीराः पंडिताः च मन्यन्ते ते अविद्यायामन्तरे वर्तन्ते. आसीनो दूरं व्यजति. This is also from Kathopanishad. Upanishad only. आसीनः दूरं व्रजति. शयानः याति सर्वतः. आसीनः for the one who is sitting. So आस्ते क्रियापदम आस्ते. दूरं व्रजति. दूरं व्रजति. Aste, meaning you cannot make like that. Asinaha referring to person, that person. Saha aste into you have to supply. Duram vejati. Saha aste duram vejati. Saha shete
सर्वतः याति.
into sarvatra yati. Or we can make like that.
Can we write it? Shete san sarvatah yate.
We can do. Sun. Yes, we can do. Not shete sun. That will not be. Shayanaga sun is correct. Not shete sun.
Okay.
I mean, sun is correct, but then you have to use Shayana when used on sun is not required. Okay. You can use Yadyapi saha aste tatapi duram vrajati. Similarly, Yadyapi saha shete tatapi sarvatah yati. So you can use Yadyapi tatapi. य एष सुप्तेषु जागर्ति कामं कामं पुरुषो निर्मिमाणः.
निर्मिमाणः.
Nirmimana. This is also from
पुरुषः
Sankalpa.
निर्माति निर्मिम.
Yes. So Dhatu is Nirmimanaha. Dhatu is Ma Dhatu. Nirpurvaka Ma Dhatu. Mati. Nirmati. Ma Mane. But Nir Upasarga in the meaning of construction. So it is second conjugation. Ma Dhatu. Mimamsa, in fact, that is from this only. So therefore Kadanta Rupam of this Dhatu, Ma Dhatu, with a Nir Upasarga, could be Ma Dhatu being Atmanepadi. So Nirmimanaha may be Chandasa. You have to take like that. Mati, Mataha, that's how these are Parasmapadi Dhatu. So then now can we have Atmanepadi Rupam? Maybe if it is because of Nirupasarga, possible. It is possible. Anyway, this is Chandasam. This is from the Veda. So Shanash is not possible like that. So we will convert Shanach into Shatranta. So Yaha, Yeshaha. Yaha, the one who is this, Purushaha. So Yaha, Yeshaha, let it go as it is. Supteshu Jagarati. Supteshu Jagarati Yeshaha Purushaha. Kamam Nirmati. Anyway, this is, you cannot make like that. Just understanding sentence I'm writing. Jagarti, not Jagartaha. So Nirmati it is. Anyway, this is just to understand this. We can make like this. Eshaha Purushaha. Yaha Purushaha Supteshu Jagarti. Saha Purushaha Kamam Nirmati. Like that. Yaha Yeshaha is in the Shruti. Therefore we take. Otherwise you can remove that. Yaha Supteshu Jagarti. Yaha Purushaha. That Purusha is not far away. Is the person. Is that's why Yeshaha the word is there. Now we can make Saha. Yaha Purushaha Supteshu Jagarti. Saha Jagartavastasu Kamam Nirmati. Okay. We cannot, if we convert this into Shatranta, that will not be Shanach, will not be Shanach, it will be Shatranta only. Nirmimanaha is Chandasam. Okay. Pratak Utpadyamanana. Purushaha Nirmimanaha is equal to Purushaha Nirmati. That's it. So you can convert that into a Kriya Padam. Pratak Utpadyamanana Matva Dhiraha na Shochati. So Dhiraha na Shochati main sentence. That's one sentence. Dhiraha na Shochati. Why? Because Matva. Pratak
Matva.
Pratak Utpadyamananam. Pratak Utpadyante. I mean Jivaha. That is supply. Jivaha or Manushyaha Pratak Utpadyante. So therefore Matva Tan Matva Tam Iti Matva Iti Matva Dhiraha na Shochati. Okay, that's how it has to be. He is matva dhiraha na iti matva dhiraha na shochati. Eteshu yascharate brajamaneshu yatha kalam chagutayo hyadadagan. This also Upanishad, Mundaka. Eteshu yascharate brajamaneshu yatha kalam chagato hyadadagan tannagantyeta suryasya rashmayaha tadevanam patireko divasaha brajamaneshu. So brajamaneshu eteshu brajamaneshu charate. So that is the loka is brajamanaha, swargaloka, place. Ete brajante, brajdatu, brajati, brajdatu is parasmapadi only. Brajati, brajanti, just be. Vibrajamana we say, right? So brajdatu. It is parasmapadi atmanepadi. I think atmanepadi can take because brajamaneshu is the brajante. Ete brajante. Yaha teshu charati. Charate ete brajante eteshu yaha charate. Charate is charati. Yaha purushaha teshu charati. Yatha kalam chagutaya yadadayan, that is not complete. That is okay. Or you can take yatha kalam cha
ahutayaha
ahutayaha
adadati.
ha, the one who offers ahuti, adadayan yaha teshu charati. That's the sentence. Teshu is ete brajante, swargaloka. So that's what teshu. This ete and teshu are connected. The connection is ete referring to this loka. Teshu lokeshu. Or we can, for understanding, ete lokaha brajante, teshu lokeshu charati. That is the meaning. Ara yevaratanavu samhata yatranadyaha yaha saha yeshaha antascharite baguda jayamana. This is also Mundaka. So yatra ara yevaratanavu samhataha nadyaha tatra antaha charate baguda jayante. So yatra araha iva. So like the spokes of the wheel are connected to the ab. Ratanahi is ab. Samhataha. Nadya. Ratanavo samhataha. Nadya samhataha. Ratanavo iva nadyaha samhataha. Yatra tatra. Tava yatnadyaha. Yatra nadyaha ratanavo iva. Yatra nadyaha. Yatra is not like that. Saha, that person who is this, antaha charati, then baguda jayate. Okay. Then this is also Mundaka. Yata nadya sindamanaha samudre. Astam gachanti nama rupe vihaya. Yata tata we can supply. Yata nadi nadyo nadyaha. Nadyaha syandante. Syandante or syandanti. It is Parasmapadi or Atmanepadi. It is Parasmapadi dhatu. Sorry, Atmanepadi dhatu. Syandante. Because Syandamanaha is that we can take Upanishad is being of Syandante. Dhatu pada also it is given Atmanepadi only. Yata nadya syandante.
Samudra नामरूप
समुद्रे
विहाय
नामरूपे विहाय
समुद्रे
समुद्रे
अस्तं गच्छन्ति
अस्तं गच्छन्ति तथा तथा is not given, you have to supply तथा जीवाः अपि यथा नामरूपे विहाय यथा नद्यः स्यन्दन्ते flows नामरूपे विहाय अस्तं गच्छन्ति यथा तथा you can remove, not required. That is the context is that नामरूपे विहाय समुद्रे अस्तं गच्छन्ति नद्यः. Okay. गर्भ इव एतच्छयानः वामदेव एवं वचन. So although Upanishad, it's Upanishad, Vamadeva, I think brother Nikam. Aitareya also possible. Yes, Aitareya it is Vamadeva. Is that Garbha Garbhe iva ये एतत् शयानः शेते becomes शेते गर्भे इव एतत् we have to make it Vamadevah शेते then सः एवम् उवाच गर्भे इव वामदेवः शेते लोकस्य गर्भे. Nice. And we did all these sentences 245. Okay, then translate the following answers are there. Trembling Sita went with Ravana. How do you translate?
Sita Ravana saha.
Main, it's not like main Kriya Padam to start sense. Otherwise, it will go wrong.
Agachat Sita.
Even though we know we are confident, but still we have to start with Kriya Padam. Trembling Sita went with Ravana. Mukhya Kriya is went.
Went. Agachat.
Agachat. Or Gatavati. Then
Ravena saha. Ravanena saha. Saravanena saha. Trembling.
Yeah. Complete. Shall I tell?
Kampamana. Vepamana.
Kampamana, Vepamana both. Okay. Sita Ravanena saha Gatavati. Kampamana Sita. What's the answer? Ravanena saha Gatavati Agachat. The devotee bowing.
This, Gata, Sita Gata.
You can say. The devotee bowing down there is Shrikara.
The devotee is Shrikara. Saha Archakaha Shrikaraha Asti. Bowing
down Namati.
Going down. Namati. Namaman.
Not Namamana. How can Namaman? This Namati is Shatranta. Yaha Tatra Namati Saha Yaha Bhaktaha Saha Shikaraha. How? Yaha Saha, remove it. Make it into one sentence.
Naman Bhaktaha Shrikaraha Asti.
Naman Bhaktaha Saha Shikaraha. Or Vandamanaha. Because Shanati is that's good. Vandate. Vandamanaha Bhaktaha. That use. Shanaj. Okay, this is an example for Shanaj. The moon shining in a clear sky delights all. Shining is therefore Shobhate or Prakashamana.
Rajate.
The moon, Chandraha, delights all. Sarvan,
Sarvan.
Tushyati.
Shyate.
Shining in a clear sky. So Prakashamanaha Chandraha Sarvan Tushyati. Nabasi. Prakashamanaha Chandraha Sarvan Tushyati. So clear sky. Clear sky is
Nirabra. Is there something? Nirabra, a word is there?
I don't know the Nabda is, but clear is that Megagi Anavachinna, like that, you can make. You cannot exactly make like that clear. Can make also. So anyway, I don't know what I have done. Nirmale, okay.
Nirmale Akash.
Prakashyamanaha, no. Prakashamanaha is correct. Should be Prakashamanaha. Not Akashe, Prakashamanaha, Chandraha, Sarvan, Santoshayati, sorry. What did I say? Tushyati, not Dushyati. Tushyati is that goes with the Karta. It causes to others. Santoshayati, causative form. Please note this. So I also overlook this. Santoshayati, causative form. Then the boy took the fruit that was dangling.
The boy took the fruit. Balaha phalam svikrutavan.
Svikrutavan. That was dangling.
Phalam. Lambamanam. Lambamanan phalam svikrutavan.
Lambamanam phalam svikrutavan. Yes. Boy is Girhitavati is mistake. Girhitavan. Svikrutavan, Girhitavan, whatever we can use. Okay. Yes. Then buildings that are decorated cause delight in people. So buildings cause delight in Santoshayati here. Janeshu. Janeshu Anandam Utpadayanti. Cause delight in people. Janeshu Sukham Utpadayanti. The buildings are Bhavanani. And they are decorated. Decorated with the
lights.
So Prakasha Manani, you can say Bhavanani, decorated or
Alankritani Bhavanani.
Very Shanishde. So or decorated Shobhamanani, Prakashamanani, Bhavanani, you can take. Janeshu Anandam Utpadayanti. Janayanti. Shobhamanani Bhavanani. When the teacher came, the students stood up. So this is Sati Saptami. Students stood up. Chatraha Utatishtan. Udatishtan. Not Udate. Yeah. Udatishtan Chatraha. So Adhyapakaha came. When the teacher came, Sati Saptami. Came is Gamdhatu. So anyway, you can use Shatranta. Or yeah. Shatranta also okay. But Shatranta we can use. The teacher came. Agatavati. Adhyapake Agatavati. Chatraha Udatishtan. Adhyapakaha Agatavan. Yada Adhyapakaha Agatavan, tada Chatraha Udatishtan. That is sentence. But when you make it a Sati Saptami, then Adhyapake आगतवती, आगतवती is not a क्रियापदम. सप्तमी विभक्ति of आगतवत प्रातिपदिक. और आगते you can say, why not? आगते
आगते.
अध्यापके अध्यापके आगते छात्राः उदतिष्ठन्. Yes. शिक्षके आगच्छति. It's okay. I used निष्ठा, you use शत्रन्ता. छात्राः उदतिष्ठन् और उत्थितवन्तः, whatever it is, correct. Okay. That is something. But here we cannot use shanaj. When we use shanaj, we cannot use. Possible shanaj when the teacher came, it has to begin karmani prayoga. When the coming is done by the teacher, the student stood up. So this sentence, the coming was done by the teacher. In English, it's like that. In Sanskritam, we are possible. So agamya mane sati. Then agamyamane shikshaka will become karma not there. Shikshaka is the karta. So shikshakena agamyamane sati chatraha utitavantaha. Then make shanach is possible here. When Pradeepa was taking bath, water stopped coming. Here also Sati Saptami. Yada Pradeepa was taking bath, not Snati. It is Snadatu, Snati, Snataha, Snanti. Form is like that. Asnat. Okay. Yes. So Yada Pradeepaha Asnat. You can make like that. Yeah. Snati is a dhatu. Snadatu, Snati, yeah, Snati. Choche, that is a dhatu. So Yada Pradeepaha Asnat. Tada Jalam Stigatavat. Stigatavat. Become stopped. Sorry, Stagayat, not Stigatavat. Stagayat. That's correct one. Stagayat. Tada Jalam Stagayat. Jalam Napumsakalinga, the first Stagayat. Or Astagayat, we can say, stopped coming. Tada Jalam Astagayat. Now, if you want a shanaj, you have to make something into your karmani. Pradeepe Stanam. Okay, Sati Saptami. Yada tada Pradeepe Stanam Kurvati. Tada Jalagamanam Stigatam. Okay. You want to make into a shanaj, using shanaj. Then we have to make
Pradeepe Snanam Kurvane Pradeepe Snanam Kurvane Sati.
Pradeepe na Snanam. Stanam. Kriyamane Sati. Pradeepena Stanam Kriyamane Sati. Jalagamanam Stagitam Astagayat. When her children were coming, mother was happy. Yada children Shishavaha Agachanti Agatavantaha Tada Mata Tushyati. So Sati Saptami would be, yeah, not Shishavaha. It has to be Agateshu. So it becomes Shishushu Agateshu. Mata
Atushyat.
Or
Tushta.
Mata Tushta Abhavat. Nata Santushta. पुत्रेषु आगच्छत्सु. Karmani, make the Nishana will come. So that putraihi agamya mane sati mata santushta. You don't have Atmane Paridhato for coming. When the people raised a hue and cry, Shabdam Kurtavantaha, Tada Choraha
Palayate.
ran away. So ran away. Palayate apalayata. So when the people, Yada Janaha Shabdam Kritavantaha, otherwise Akurvan, Tada Choraha apalayata or Palitavan. Palagitavan. Not Palitavan, sorry, Palagitavan, Kshimita. Palagitavan. Palitavan means protection. Palagitavan ran away. Now we want to use Sati Saptami. So, Shabdam.
Janesh.
So, Janaha Shabdam Krutavantaha.
Janeshu Shabdam Krute.
Janeshu Shabdam Krutavantaha. Krutavantaha will become Krutavatsu. Krutavan, right? So it will be Krutavatsu. Or if we want Kurvatsu, we can say. Shabdam Kurvatsu Janeshu Choraha Palayitavan. Kolahalam, okay. Karmani, if you want, then Janaihi. Kolahalam, Kolahala is Kolahalam. Now this Kolahalam is karma. Therefore, I don't think we have any karma here. Radi Pena Snane Kriyamane. Please make it that Saptami to go, because Sati Saptami Snane Kriyamane, not Stanam. I just forgot to make it. Mistake. Chakshakena, that is okay. Tritiya. Where karma is supposed, then we have to use. Okay, not that. Karma will go in Saptami. So Kolahalam, if you take it as karma. So Kolahale, Shu. Kriyamanasu, Kriyamaneshu. Kolahale, Janeshu, Janehi. Kolahaleshu, Kriyamaneshu, Satsu, Choraha, Palayitavan. You like that? While the monkeys watched Hanuman cross the ocean. This is not Sati Saptami. Anyway, Sati Saptami is under exert. You can use directly Shanach. While the monkeys watched. So, Vanaraha, Ikshitavantaha, Ikshante. Or Ikshanta. Hanuman crossed the ocean. Hanuman, Samudram, Trata, Tirnata. Hanuman, Tirnavan. Samudram, Tirnavan, Atava, Atarat. Atarat. Okay. So, this is, instead of Sati Saptami, we can use past participle, present participle. So, Hanuman crossed the ocean. That is the main sentence. Hanuman, Samudram,
Atarat.
Sagaram, Atarat, Samudram, Tirnavan. Kidrisha Hanuman is qualified by while the monkeys watched. So, Vanaregi, Ikshyamane, you can say, Ikshya, not Ikshamana.
Hanumanaha.
Ikshmanaha Hanuman, not Hanumanaha. Hanuman Shabda it is. Vanarehi Ikshmanaha Hanuman
Sagaram
तीर्णवान् कपीषु पश्यत्सु सत्सु हनुमान्.
सप्तमी.
It's okay. Saptami is there. We can use this. We can use Tanach also. So Hanuman Samudra Langanam Kartavan or Tirnavan. Tirudhatu. Samudram Tirnavan. And Hanuman is seen by. So for Ikshyamanah Hanuman. Kaihi Vanaraihi. Vanaraihi Ikshyamanah Hanuman. Samudram Tirnavan. We have used Sanach here. So Sati Saptami, Sati Saptami, we will see the usage. That will be the next topic. I think with this be over. We will do Sati Saptami next class. Okay, so I'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada Guruji. It has been one-to-one coaching today.
Yeah, it's okay. Trudhatu become Tirnaha. What pratyaya is that?
Nishtha.
Nishtha pratyaya. This is Trudhatu. Trudhatu, which is Rukaranta Dhatu, Ta pratyaya. Rutaha Dhatu will be replaced by Tar, so rule. Then Repa is preceded by Equilata and followed by Hal. Therefore, E will become E, Tir. Then Ta. Then Nishtha pratyaya Takara, when it follows the Repa, it becomes Nakara, Sarul.
And then
Therefore, Na. And then Mudanya Nakara, because Repa followed by Nakara, which is not at the end of the Padam. Therefore, Tirna. Ta pratyaya Tirna, Tavata pratyaya Tirnavata. Here Hanuman. That's also important. Hanuman, it is not Hanuman also is there, I think so. Hanuman is proper. Hanumat Shabda. Hanuman, Hanumanto, Hanumantaha. So Tirnaha. Hanuman, Tirnavan. Okay. As Samudra Langanam Kratavan, that is very good. Fine. Okay. Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada Guruji.